To promote your Shopify store with YouTube ads, start by setting up a Google Ads account and linking it to your YouTube channel. This will allow you to create and manage your video ads. First, identify your target audience by considering demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your Shopify store products. Create buyer personas to guide your ad targeting and content creation. Next, develop a content strategy that showcases your products and resonates with your target audience. This can include product demos, customer testimonials, and lifestyle videos that feature your products. When creating your YouTube ads, focus on attention-grabbing visuals and compelling storytelling. Use high-quality images and videos, and ensure your ads are concise and informative. To set up your YouTube ad campaign, navigate to the Google Ads dashboard and select the video campaign type. Choose your ad format, such as video ads or display ads, and set your budget and bidding strategy. Target your ads using keywords, topics, and demographics that align with your target audience. Use YouTube's video targeting options to reach users who have shown interest in your products or similar products. Monitor and optimize your ad performance regularly. Using metrics such as view rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate, adjust your ad targeting, ad creative, and bidding strategy to improve your ad performance and achieve your marketing goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively promote your Shopify store with YouTube ads and drive traffic, sales, and revenue. Remember to track your ad performance and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your return on investment. Additionally, consider using YouTube's shopping ads feature, which allows you to tag your products directly in your video ads, making it easy for viewers to purchase from your Shopify store. By leveraging the power of YouTube ads, you can expand your reach, build brand awareness, and drive sales for your Shopify store. Start creating your YouTube ad campaign today and take your e-commerce business to the next level.